In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. All you have to do is just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to add Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on add apps here in the left. And after that, you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on Shopify App Store. And what you want to do, guys, next, you want to search for this app in the top. You want to search for Ali Reviews. Okay, this is how you type the name of the app and then click enter, and it will take you directly to App Store. As you can see, Shopify App Store. Now what you want to do, guys, next, you want to download this app. As you can see, it's called Ali Reviews app. It's free. Like, there is a free plan that is enough for you to use. Okay, you don't need to pay for the premium. You can pay for it if you want. That depends on what you want. Now when I click on add app, as you can see, and next thing you want to do, guys, in the next page, you want to click on install app in the top right. And what you want to do, guys, next is you want to select which plan you want. Now if you want to select the premium plan, you can select it. It's $9.99. The free one for me is enough. I don't know for you, so it's up to you guys to select which plan you want. Like, you can see the difference between the premium and the basic here. As you can see, unlimited reviews, 30 reviews, import per product. Now you can select which plan is suitable for you. Now I'm going to go with the free plan. Click on sign up for free, and then you want to click this X here. And next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on manage reviews in the top. Okay, and then you want to you can find here all the products that you have on your Shopify. Now I only have 4 products. Now I'm going to add, for example, Amazon reviews to this product. I'm sorry. Now what you want to do, guys, next, you want to click on import reviews, as you can see, and here you have to select Amazon import. You can also add AliExpress reviews if you want, but for now we are going to add Amazon the products. Now go to Amazon, select any product, okay, that you want to get the reviews from. For example, I'm going to select this product. Click copy the URL in the top, and then go back to the Shopify and click right click and paste the URL. And here you can customize this. You can add products, you can add reviews with images if that's what you want, but for now I'm just going to ignore that, and I'm going to select the number of reviews. I'm going to select, for example, 5, and here where it says all reviews, you want to select 4 and add 5 reviews of 4 stars, and go back to the same page and then add like 5 reviews of 5 star. Okay, because there is no product in the world that has 5-star reviews. Like, all products have low stars. Now click import, and then go back to the same product, click import reviews again, and then select, for example, 5 reviews of 5 star, and then go back and add 3 reviews of 3 stars. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. I reply to every single comment.